Do you want a teacher planner that helps you stay organised and focused on your well-being? Well, look no further. Here's a run-through of what's inside the Happy Teacher Planner. The planner includes 2 timetables, and there is space to plan for up to 8 lessons. You'll also find an important contacts page, and throughout the planner you'll find positive quotations. Our well-being and professional development section sets us apart. This section is about reflecting on your journey, your goals, and your teaching practice. Whenever you have a bad day, you can turn to this section to give yourself a little pick-me-up and remind yourself of your happy teacher moments. This section is also about your professional and personal development and setting goals for yourself. You will also find half-term self-care plans for each term. It's broken down into 7 pillars of self-care so you can nurture all of you during the holidays. Each section is broken up by positive quotations, this 2.1 being my fave. In this section you'll find a curriculum overview page and weekly planning pages for the whole school year with space for 8 period days. Wellbeing really does run throughout the planner, and here you find the Today's Sparkly Moments section, a self-care tracker, and it also includes high priority tasks, to-do lists and space for notes. You'll also find weekly meeting pages with a notes section, to-do lists and follow-ups. Another aspect that makes us different to other teacher planners is our weekly reflection page. Variations charts reflect on your teaching each week and mindfulness activities and positive quotations. You will find planning pages, meeting notes and reflection pages for 39 weeks of the year. Our next section is the homework trackers, so you can stay on top of students' homework and keep a note of who has and hasn't been doing their homework. Next are the assessment trackers. The trackers gives you the opportunity to make a note of the skills students have struggled with for each assessment, so you can address these in class. You can then use what you've learned from the assessment trackers to put in an intervention, and that's where our intervention trackers come in handy. Our next section is for CPD. So instead of you scribbling down your notes on random bits of paper or notebooks, you can keep all those great CPD ideas in one place. And last but not least, you have the ideas space, which you could use to jot down planning ideas. And that's it. Planner run through done. Order your planner now from thehappyteacherhub.co.uk.